Soul Trickers here. Welcome back to another episode. Don't y'all hate or hello guys, Soul Trickers here. Welcome back to another episode. Don't y'all hate when y'all put in a disc here, alright, and it screws up. As you see, there's not that much scratches on here. Not that much, okay? And it's not working, so oops. I was about to put it back on to my tray, but we'll just put it right there for now. Alright, and it's saying the disc unreadable. Clean the disc with a soft cloth. And 2, restart the console. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this without messing up the disc. We're gonna go easy, and it looks like there's like a little bit of yellow right there. That might be a little bit of some mustard. Alright. It might came with the paint. So we're looking at all the disc. Make sure there's nothing wrong. Okay, yeah, there's nothing wrong with the disc. Let's go ahead and try to click A to get that disc unreadable thing off of the screen, okay? And then let's close the tray real fast. And we're gonna take it out and we're gonna try to clean it, and we're gonna show y'all how to clean it. Alright. It's saying play game, as you see. Oh, and here we go. Let's see. Let's just hope that works. Oh, boom, guys. So y'all get y'all's game fixed. Okay? And if you want me to add y'all on Xbox, there'll be link in bio. Okay? Link in bio, and I will add y'all on Xbox. I only got 3 games. 2, maybe. No, actually, I got 2 so far. I got 2. I'm planning on getting GTA 5. And maybe I'm gonna try to get that thing to turn into an RGH. We can do mods or whatever. This is my first game. If y'all want to play with me, links in the description will be below. Okay, and we'll go ahead and play. I'm not gonna put my location in this because it's not none of y'all's business. No offense, but here we go. Peace out.